Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial: smart filters for background glow in Photoshop. Load your model or product image, convert layer into a smart object, apply motion blur for streak effects, and rotate the angle to match your subject. Increase distance to the extend lines and also apply blur as smart filter. Now mask blur from the subject completely and leave blur only on background. Lower opacity for softer effect and adjust gaussian blur for more blending. Reorder filters for best look and adjust setting with a double click. And also add color grading after the stack. Preview glowing background with a subject. Save your dynamic post.